Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to update Wi-Fi driver on Windows 11 Pro. So as the initial step, you have to right click on the start menu, go to device manager, locate the network adapters option. There are several adapters in here. Select your Wi-Fi related adapter. In my case it is this one. You can see it is labeled as Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. You can see it is already installed, so go back. Then after select the second option. If first one is not working, select the let me pick from a list. So it will show the same driver currently installed on your computer. So select the already existing driver, tap on next. So the next method is you can update via Windows Update. To do that, simply go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, select the Windows Update option. If you pause your updates, you have to resume that one, because then it will be download the latest Wi-Fi related drivers also. If you see check for update kind of button in here, simply tap on it. It will check the recent update and you can download that. You can press update history option and select the driver updates. You can see these are the driver updates currently installed on my computer. If you can't see your Wi-Fi adapter in here, you have to again go back and select the resume update or check for update option. It will download the recent Wi-Fi adapter updates if they are available. So the final method is download from the manufacturer website. If you're able to find your graphic driver, so you can find that, sorry, not the graphic driver, Wi-Fi adapter. As an example, if you are using HP laptop, you can go to your browser and select HP Wi-Fi adapter with your laptop version. So you can see your official manufacturer website with the Wi-Fi adapter drivers. So you can download that one and install on your computer. So these are the methods you can try to update your Wi-Fi driver for your Windows 11 Pro computer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.